Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video will explain the basic of the reconnaissance phase of the penetration testing life cycle. This process will help the ethical hacker discover information about the target organization and computer system. This information can be used later in engaging the computer systems. So just as military planners closely analyze all of the available information available to them before developing battle plan, a successful penetration tester must closely analyze all of the information that can be obtained before conducting a successfully penetration test. So many times this information can be gained by searching the internet using internet sites like Google and other, including those that are focused on information sharing and social media. Information can be found on the internet's name server that provide direction to users' browsers as well. Email messages can be tracked through an organization, and even returned email can help the penetration tester. Creating and examining an offline copy of the target website can provide a source of valuable information and can be used later as tool for social engineering tasks if allowed by the test ROE. So this phase start with the test team knowing little about the target. The level of detail provided to the team can range from knowing only the organization's name and possibly a website address to detail and specific system information, including IP address space and technologies used defined in the ROE to limit or scope the test event. So the goal of this phase is to find out how much information you can about the organization. Some things that should be determined about the organizations include like organizational structure, including detailed high level departmental and team organizational charts, organizational infrastructure including IP space and network topology, technologies used including hardware platform and software packages, employee email addresses, organizational partners, physical locations of the organizational facilities, and phone numbers. So we will also we must discuss about trusted agents. So the trusted agent may be the person that hired the penetration test team or an individual that was designated by the organization that will be able to answer questions about the engagement and will not divulge the fact that penetration test is occurring to the organization at large. So hope you understand what is reconnaissance phase. So thank you for watching this video.